Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best concealer brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Real Techniques Brightening Concealer Makeup Brush. The Real Techniques Brightening Concealer Brush, also known as the RT242 brush or the Kitten Paw brush, is a must-have tool for your makeup routine. This brush provides smooth and satin-like coverage, making it perfect for concealing blemishes, imperfections, and dark circles. It can be used as a prep step by pairing it with eye cream and brightener for a long-lasting glow. When used with concealer, it instantly blurs fine lines and covers dark circles, giving you streak-free and seamless coverage. Made with hygienic synthetic materials and featuring extended aluminum ferrules, this brush is lightweight and easy to use. It is also cruelty-free and vegan, making it a great choice for those who prefer ethical beauty products. The ultra-plush synthetic bristles ensure flawless results, and cleaning the brush is a breeze with Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Gel or Spray. With the Real Techniques Brightening Concealer Brush, you can achieve long-lasting and flawless makeup application. Moving on. At number 4, we have the EcoTools Precision Concealer Brush. The EcoTools Concealer Brush is designed to help you create a flawless and natural-looking base with ease. Its densely packed bristles allow you to apply concealer precisely where you need it, whether it's under your eyes, around your nose, or on blemishes. This brush works well with various types of concealers, including liquid, cream, and stick formulas, making it versatile for different makeup routines. Its small, flat shape ensures you get maximum coverage without wasting product, so you can build up coverage exactly how you want it for a smooth and polished finish. At number 3, we have the docolor 2PCS Angled Concealer Brush Set. The docolor angled concealer brushes are designed to help you achieve flawless makeup with ease. The super dense vegan bristles blend liquid foundation, cream concealer, and setting powder smoothly, perfect for delicate areas like under the eyes. This set includes 2 brushes, one angled kabuki brush for covering blemishes and under-eye imperfections, and a mini spot brush for precision work around the eyes, nose, and small spots. Unlike sponges, these brushes provide streak-free coverage without wasting product. Made with soft synthetic fibers, they hold their shape well and are easy to clean, making them ideal for beginners and pros alike. At number 2, we have the ALBEAUT Concealer Brush. The ALBEAUT Concealer Brush is a cruelty-free makeup brush designed with soft, angled bristles for precise under-eye concealing. Its unique shape allows for easy application in hard-to-reach areas, such as the nose, providing a seamless finish. This versatile brush can be used with all liquid, cream, and powder formulas, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. With its sweeping and stippling motions, you can achieve light or intense coverage to correct dark circles, redness, and discoloration. The brush is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting use. Made with vegan synthetic bristles, an aluminum ferrule, and an eco-friendly birch handle, the ALBEAUT Concealer Brush is a high-quality tool that delivers exceptional results. And finally, at number 1, we have the Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. The Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush is a mini version of a best-selling makeup brush designed with dense, rounded bristles to provide smooth, high-definition results when blending liquid or cream concealers around the eye area. Its extended aluminum ferrules are lightweight, color-coded, and make the brush easy to use. 100% cruelty-free and vegan, the brush is easy to clean with Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Gel or Spray and delivers long-lasting makeup application, helping you achieve flawless results quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!